So in our last demo, we talked about how to create a data portal account within EPLAN Electric P8, and in this one we will talk about how to use that data portal and how to find parts in the data portal. So once you have the account set up, it's really simple and straightforward. You start your EPLAN Electric P8, you come to Utilities, right click on Utilities, and you select Data Portal tab. Once you select that, a navigator within the EPLAN Electric P8 will open. Within this navigator, you have the option of looking up or searching the parts. Once you have this open and you have the part number available, you can bring that part number and paste in the search tab and look up the part. So once the part comes up, you have various options. You can insert that part as a macro, you can insert that part as a device and graphical editor, and then you have these checkout cards. You can import the part right away into your parts database, or you can add it to the shopping cart. So I'm going to add this part to the shopping cart because I will look up another part to add to our schematic page. So I'm going to add this to the shopping cart. Then I'm going to go back and look up the next part number that I need to look up. We'll bring that part number here, and I will search another part. So I will look up that part. Same process. I'm going to add this part to the shopping cart too. Once I'm done, I know which parts I need and I'm done shopping. I just go on to the top, I display the shopping cart, and within that shopping cart I have all the parts that I need. So it seems like I've double selected these parts, so I'm going to delete one of these. And you have an option of deleting each and every part individually if you like. If you click on those parts, you will get the graphical representation, a macro of that part, and the part picture itself. Okay. So now we go back to our shopping cart and delete the part that was repeated. And there I have two parts. After that, I can select the import all two parts. After you hit the import all two parts, your download will start, and after the download is completed, you hit the import button. Make sure you have this option selected, update existing parts data and add new data to your parts database library. Hit OK, and it will add these parts to your parts database. So once you're done importing these parts, you can close the data portal navigator and have your schematic page open. Within that schematic page, you would like to add those parts now. So you go on Insert, Device, and within that device, you can search up those parts by copy pasting the part number here. So that is my first part. I'm going to place that part in my schematic page. I'm going to use the same numbering pattern and hit OK and hit escape. Then I'm going to look up for the second part that I imported from my data portal into my parts database. I will go on Insert, Device, and then look up the second part number. I'm going to paste the part number in there and hit the search button. That will look up that part in the parts database for me. And once I know I got the right part, I'm going to hit OK down below, and I'm going to place that part on my schematic page and hit escape. And that's how you can import the parts from the data portal into your parts data library and put them into your schematic page. If you're interested in learning more about EPLAN Electric P8, please visit us online to book a virtual training. Link is